Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is January the 20th. We are out here in Alpharetta, Georgia. This is a client that found me online. We're going to be doing some marble, countertops in the kitchen and some quartz in the bathroom. We originally just had the marble scheduled, but when I got here, he had me look at the quartz, so we're going to also do that as well. I went out and did 2 consultations this morning, also in Alpharetta. They both booked on the spot. One is going to be for this Saturday or Sunday. They are remodeling a house, and he did his research. He called me about a month ago, and he said, man, I want that UV cure. So we're probably going to do them Saturday. If not, it'll be Sunday. Because we got some snow or sleet coming, and these roads can be very dangerous. But if not Saturday, I told him we can do it Sunday. And then also the other consultation he's doing, he's moving into his house. He's doing the wood floor screen to Rico, also with granite countertops. Got him down for Monday afternoon because Monday morning we have a wax removal in Gainesville. Got a job Tuesday, Wednesday. So anyway, guys, it's getting very, very busy. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. Guys, we are in Alpharetta, Georgia. This is a seniors community, and this is for my client Eli, Mr. Eli. I'll show you what we're going. Hello, how you gonna be doing? How you doing? Are you the missus?
I am.
Oh, nice to meet you.
You're Courtney?
Yeah, I'm Courtney.
Nice to meet you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, guys, so what we're doing right now is setting up. Tavares is just setting up. So you can see that these marble countertops, man, they're very dull. They have a lot of water spots in them. So what we're doing is just putting up our plastic. I like to do this with marble because marble, when you are abrading it, it basically is removing some of the stone, and it's like really milky. See all these water spots? This is just really dulled out, man. So also I can see a lot of residue on it. It feels really rough. So we are definitely about to see all these water spots, guys. Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna do the masters as well. That's quartz, and I'll see how it's really dulled out here. All right, so you're gonna see a significant difference when we're done. And one thing that helped me sell this job was my videos. So we're gonna clean it first, and then we're gonna start the honing process. Yeah. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Marble dull. Now watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Buff it, polish, seal it, pause. Now the marble looking like glass. Truman slid in, kitchen quiet, no sanding. Stone was tired, now it's shining, understanding. Step by step, never rush, I'm patient. 7-step system, that's restoration. From dull haze to a mirror reflection. Hand steady, every move intentional. You don't replace when you know what you're doing. You restore it, bring it back to its true form. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Buff that out. Polish, seal it. Now the marble looking like glass. Seven steps. One finish. Alpharetta kitchens know the name. Truman.
All right, Mr. Lynn, we are done. All right, guys, we are done. We just wrapped up. We just clean up. We always clean up, especially with marble. Marble gets very messy. But guys, you can see, man, these countertops have been restored. They look amazing. Gosh. Can I get a high five?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Lynn is very happy. And you know, it's funny, guys. It's funny they say things come in twos, because while I was here, I got someone to text me a picture of a marble countertop that a vanity that they want to get done. I think they saw one of my YouTube videos. So, all right, guys, well, that's going to do it. We are done. Tomorrow, we also have more stone. We're going to be doing some travertine in bathrooms. It was a referral from her daughter, and also some granite countertops. So we'll see you tomorrow in Lawrenceville. Thanks again for watching.